custom designed entertainment at its best. Did we mention all of the beautiful furniture you're seeing is included in this amazing price? Ready to do some social media or have your little ones do their homework? So, well-maintained, meticulous backyard. Ready to relax in your new home. Your castle awaits for your little princess. Come on in. Come on in. Stunning ensuite to the master bath.
Welcome to your dream home at 1449 Marigold Drive in the Waverly at Patterson Gardens community. This stunning 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath model home offers 3,891 square feet of meticulously designed living space and has never been lived in. Built in 2005, it ensures you'll be the first to enjoy its pristine condition. Step inside to find a spacious living room and family room, perfect for entertaining. The gourmet kitchen, featuring a Wolf appliance package, Sub-Zero 36-inch integrated refrigerator, and Sub-Zero 24 under-counter wine storage system, is a chef's delight. The butler's pantry and premium cabinetry make hosting formal dinners a breeze. Convenience and luxury are key, with a first-floor bedroom and bath ideal for guests or an office. The master suite is a luxurious retreat with crown molding, a walk-in closet, and a master bath featuring a jetted tub and brushed nickel finishes. Additional bedrooms and bonus rooms offer ample space for family and hobbies. The laundry room is equipped with a Whirlpool Duet Sport front-load washer and dryer. The 3-car garage includes keyless entry and extra storage. The home is filled with upgrades like Pure air conditioning, crown molding, recessed lighting, and a custom-built media niche. Security and technology are top-notch, with an integrated security system, an audio package with exterior speakers, and a whole house surge protector. Outdoor amenities include a gas stub-out for barbecues and a beautifully landscaped yard. Located across from Woodland Star Park, this home offers park views and easy access to local amenities, schools, parks, and major highways. As a special inclusion, the sale includes exquisite model home furniture and furnishings, providing a fully furnished and move-in ready experience. Don't miss the chance to own this exceptional property. Contact us today for a private showing.